Today is a great day. Why? Because first, I got the approval from Apple. What does that mean? That means that the Task app is now able to have in-app purchases, which is a subscription to have all the features inside the cloud version. It also means that I will be able to offer you a single subscription for both the Note and the Task app. So that's a pretty good step. And combined with the migration out of AWS, it's the perfect start for a privacy-focused suite. Let's take a look at the app. First, you can see the homepage, which contains an overview of your next task for today, this week, and later on. You have access to different views and different filters like tags, folders, archive, deleted, stuff like that. You also have access to your calendar, which mixes your device events on iOS and Android and your scheduled task. There is also a Pomodoro timer and a classic timer for you to measure your times and track times on each task. And you can also use the Eisenhower matrix to sort tasks and prioritize them. So the app is pretty complete. It just lacks maybe recurring tasks and a few other small features, which I will be adding later. I've also made progress on the web version of the Task app. It now works as expected. And also, I've made some progress into the Note app, which is working too. I've also fixed a few UI issues, like in the Task app, for example, some UI on the iPad and desktop weren't very good. So I fixed that, and now I'm going to push a new version to Apple. And I'm going to also publish the Note app, and I'm going to explain you how do you publish an app onto the App Store if you don't know. Let's take a look at the Note app. First, we have a first screen, which is where you have all your notes and when you can see them. After that, you have a search and an organized view, which allows you to either search your note or organize them into tags and folders, which are the same that are used into the Task app and will be into other apps like Mail or Drive, etc. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty bare bones, but since I've only taken maybe 2 days to do it using the code base I already had, it's pretty good. When using the cloud version, you'll have access to both apps, Notes and Task, for the same price, which is €4 per month. And later on, when I have added emails and Drive and stuff like that, I figure out a new pricing that match all the values that the suite offers. If you want, you can drop in the comments some enhancement that you'd like or some new features that you think is missing. Step 1 is to connect into the App Store console and create the identifier for the app. Step 2 is to go into the app list and create a new application. Basically, the new application consists of a name, a language, and a few informations like a description, screenshot, and stuff like that. Step 3 is filling all the app info and going into Canva to edit the screenshots and adapt them to the new Note app. When the app is up to date and all the information are filled, I can just upload the binary to Apple and submit it for review, and it should be good unless Apple has some things that I need to change for it to be published, but I'll keep you posted. I've made some real progress on the listing for the new Note app. I finished the screenshots and I'm gonna finish the description. Then I will be able to submit it to Apple. So today was a pretty good day. The Task app was validated with the purchases. The cloud works well and the new Note apps work well. And also the web version is now functioning. So pretty huge. I'll see you tomorrow. I just finished creating the screenshot for the new Note app. I'm still missing the description, tags, the processes inside the listing and all the stuff like that. I don't think I'm gonna have time today to push a first version for review to Apple because I need multiple things. First, the description. Second, some tags. Third, to create the product and the app inside the Revenue Cat. Overall, today was a pretty good day. I've made the web apps work. I've got the task app approved by Apple, and the Note app is underway and it's working fine as same as the task app. So today was pretty successful. Tomorrow, the plan is to finish publishing the Note app. Then I'll start thinking about the mail client architecture and try to do a proof of concept so I can quickly publish a first version, which will be invite only. Then those vlogs are pretty short, but I try to keep working as much as I can while shooting some B-roll and some explanations. Let me know if you'd like more B-rolls or more explanation or more motion design explaining what I'm saying. I'm gonna let you here for today. It was a really good day. I made some real progress and I'm pretty happy. So I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.